Welcome to Lecture Timer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your presentation or lecture. When you open Lecture Timer, the default lecture starts immediately. Just go ahead and tap Settings here in the lower left corner. Tap Add Lecture. You may be warned that the current lecture is going to be aborted. That's okay. You weren't in the middle of lecturing right now. Click OK. If you have the free version, you're limited to 2 lectures, so you may be prompted to purchase the unlimited version. Tap the blue arrow to the right of the new lecture row. The new lecture screen appears. First, you're going to give your new presentation a name. Tap on the title box and type in the name of your new lecture or presentation. This is a unique name. You can change it at any time. Now you're going to create logical sections for your presentation. This helps you organize your time during the lecture. Tap New Section. Type a title for the section, click Done, and then fill in the fields below. Plan for is the ideal amount of time this section should take. Do not shorten below is the minimum time required to convey the most important points of the section. Do not extend over is the maximum time for the discussion. If you speak about this topic any longer, you'll run out of material or your audience will get bored. Skip if necessary indicates an optional section. Lecture Timer prefers to shorten the existing sections as much as possible. But if that's not enough, you can indicate sections to skip. Once you define the section, tap the lecture arrow at the top of the screen to go back to the lecture. Tap Add Section and New Section and fill in the fields for each section of the lecture. If you're using the free version, you're limited to 5 sections. Lecture Timer automatically calculates the full lecture time based on the optimal or planned time for each section. You see the total time right below the Sections heading, here. This allows you to plan accurately. You may find that as you put in the sections, you can already see that you have too much or too little material. When you're finished with the whole lecture, scroll down, and if you want, set the control option for Section Auto Advance. This control button determines whether Lecture Timer advances the next section automatically when time runs out, or only when you swipe the timer. You can go back or forward between sections with the swipe regardless of this setting. That's it. Click Settings and you'll see your lecture in the main settings screen. You're set to go. Clicking Done will get the lecture started. Check out our tutorial on giving a talk with Lecture Timer or go to our page in the App Store.